Welcome back to SWGA Sickle Cell Awareness with Patient Advocate Monica. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the tribe. Today's video is sponsored by my mother. In today's video, she will be making the 15-bean soup with Italian sausage. Let's get into the video. Is putting the beans in the pot and letting them come to a boil. Okay. And once they come to a boil, you're going to rinse them?
Turn them off.
You're going to turn them off?
And let them sit for a few minutes.
Okay.
They still cooking. Let it simmer down. Keep the top on them. Oh, you taking a picture to this well?
Yes.
You can take this out. I don't need that.
I'm going to keep it.
See a bottle in it. I just put the onions in there.
You've already put the onions and you've already put the garlic in there. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to put the clover.
Now you're going to put the clover in.
That's about a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon.
Okay.
There's chili powder.
You do the chili powder.
That's about a spoonful.
That's chili powder.
Put a little bit more of that. Put all the seasoning in there. I'm going to put the onion, this the garlic salt, let's say chili powder, this the clover right here.
Okay.
I'm going to put that in there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead
This is really good. I like how you have all the beans and the Italian sausage in it. It is really, really good. You can really taste the kidney beans. And the navy beans. This is a dish that my uncle made and it was good. good. It was delicious. So my mom ended up getting the recipe and making it for me, and it is really good. The only difference between his recipe and this recipe is he had no meat. He had no meat in his 15 bean soup. It was just 15 bean soup with a lot of great seasoning. But I added a twist to it because I was like, Mom, please add some Italian sausage because I love the taste of Italian sausage. And I think that's what made this soup a little bit better than my uncle's. I like the Italian sausage. Mm. Mm. And I love lima beans, pinto beans. So good, so healthy, full of calcium, full of potassium, full of fiber. Really good. Oh, it's so good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. In the description, I'm going to have some videos that I've already done of me cooking basmati rice and sockeye salmon, making Jamaican oxtails. So this concludes this video. This video was sponsored by my mother. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Mom, for making this dish as well as sponsoring this video. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay well. Goodbye.